Get your annual fire alarm inspection with Top Thunder Bay Electrical Contractor. The Ontario Fire Code requires monthly and annual inspections for all fire alarm systems to ensure the equipment functions as intended. Wenzel Electrical and Fire Alarm Solutions will provide you with a detailed inspection report with recommended system upgrades. Their fire alarm and life safety inspection entails the activation of an initiating device to confirm the audibility of signals. The technicians will also check the overall fire system operation and confirm the transmission of alarm and signals to the monitoring center. The emergency and exit lighting, fire extinguishers, and fire hoses will also be inspected. Monthly inspections are conducted for 11 months and the annual inspection in the 12th month. Go to wenzelsolutions.ca to find out more.